Greetings WordPressers, Jakson here. Welcome to the channel, nice to have you as always. Let's talk about security and the one thing that you can do to slash your vulnerability to getting hacked in about 30 seconds, and it's called Two Factor Authentication. You already know it, you probably use it on half the apps and web subscriptions you've got. It's where you log in and then the app or the site sends you a code to your email that you then have to paste in, and then they know you are who you said you are. And it is incredibly easy to get that up and running in WordPress. So let's get that sorted right now. Don't muck about, get it sorted. Let's get two-factor authentication on your website today. Right, let's get 2FA'd right up and super fast. Let's get Jane logged in, regular style login. Let's log her out and let's get to the admin. So we're going to need a plugin, add new. We'll search for Two Factor. Now there are zillions of plugins, security plugins mostly, that have two-factor authentication built in, and you may have one of those, so turn it on. But remember, this is the quick and simplest way to get this level of essential security on your site right now and super fast without having to do a load of setup. Let's install two-factor, it's this one here, and we'll activate that. Now there are no settings as such. The settings are actually in the user's edit page, but my view is that 2FA should be switched on globally. And with this particular plugin, this very simple and highly recommended plugin, there's only one way to do that because there are no settings. There isn't a settings page. And that is to add a little bit of custom code, a custom function that turns it on for everybody, every user role. And in my view, that's exactly what we want, blanket coverage. I'll get on to the authenticating with a passcode on like an authenticator app like Google or the like in just a second, but let's get this nuclear option installed. So on the two-factor plugin site on the repo, if we go to support, there's a pinned comment here that says, can I by default turn on this feature for all my existing and for new users? That's what we want. So let's open that up, scroll down a little bit, and there's a little snippet here, and we've got to add that to our site. Now, you know I'm not a big fan of code snippet plugins and would always suggest a child theme, but for quickness sakes and because this is a dev site, don't do this on a live site. I'm going to go to Tools, Theme File Editor. I'm on a child. I go to the functions. I'm going to paste that code in there, give it a comment. 2FA, update that. So that's now turned it on globally, which is what we want. We don't want the users choosing whether or they do or they don't want to have 2FA. We're forcing the issue. So let's go back to our front end and just give that a hard little refresh. And if we log in with Jane now, we get the verification page and it says a verification code has been sent to you, sent to the email associated with your account. Now this is on a dev site on Cloudways, so we don't have any email sending from there, but I do have this plugin installed, which is by far the best SMTP plugin in my humble opinion. And that has a page in the settings where we can view the emails being sent, even if they're not actually being sent, if you catch my drift. And we do have one sent, and the page I'm talking about is email logs, and there we have your login confirmation code for the two-factor auth. So that will obviously come to your email, and we copy that, and we go back to our login, paste that in, and as you're pasting, it logs you in. If you've got the right code, obviously. And it's as simple as that. That for me is the absolute best way to blanket cover 2FA on your site. It's what I do 99 times out of 100. But I would say that if there is a problem with your email, your mail server, or if you're having a separate mail server to your hosting, what have you, I would say that at least one of the admins should have a 2FA authenticator app like Google Authenticator, have that set up. And let me just show you what that is about. So if I go to the profile here, you will see that on user profiles now, there is the two-factor options right down at the bottom. And you see that email is already set up. That's because we put that function in. But there's also the option to enable time-based one-time passwords. That's the Google Authenticator app. There are a couple more. Google Authenticator is the one that I use. And this is really simple to set up. You open up your Google Authenticator, you click add new, you scan the QR code, and then you put in the code there and you're good to go. So just a little fail-safe, just in case your email server is down. But fundamentally, it takes like 30 seconds to set it up with the blanket email thing, and you should be doing it right now. So no excuses, get your two-factor authentication on your WordPress website today, and well before you watch this next wonderful video about WordPress. But until next time, I shall see you later.